perfect.
And the door just closed itself.
It's perfect. See, you can even sleep on your stomach.
Here, you gotta come further forward. You gotta get the reverse back arch in there.
No. Does not make sense. It's like this. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh God, this is
Look
nice.
how comfortable that is.
Oh, isn't this great? Oh, this is...
Got a nice like 35-degree angle on your back right now.
I am so comfortable right now. This is amazing. Okay. Anyway. Dude, I'm telling you, this is the way to live. Put your bags on the roof and just kick back, folks. You can even watch a little bit of TV up front there. You've got your old 7.5-inch wide 2001 edition Panasonic Xstrata in Japanese only.
I'm gonna shut you in, Ron.
The amazing thing about this is that there's just enough room to sit up. You could read a book, have a little pillow behind it for a backrest, kick your shoes off and just relax. There is a nice little cup holder over here for the person on the right. Perfect. And just enough room for your shoes and your stuff in the glove box there.
The storage on the roof.
I said that a minute ago.
Cool. All right, cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa!